Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a delicious seafood and squid ink pasta. First thing that we want to do is start steaming some littleneck clams. So here's how we do that. We need to add a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil into a hot pan, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. You want to saute this for a minute. Then we're going to add 1.5 cups of some white wine. I prefer really crisp Chablis. We also want to season with a little bit of our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Seafood Boost. And now we're going to reduce this until half. When reduced, we want to add the littleneck clams, and then we want to steam these for 5 minutes. When they're steamed and all of them are open, remove them from the pan. Next, we need to add about 1/2 cup of concentrated seafood stock. While the littleneck clams are steaming, it's time to sear some scallops, so let's get to it. We're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of butter to a hot pan and let it melt. Then we wanna sear the scallop about 90 seconds on each side. When ready, remove from the pan. So while we were steaming the littleneck clams and searing the scallops, we cooked some squid ink spaghetti till al dente. So now it's time to put everything together. We're gonna add the squid ink pasta to the pan, and then you wanna stir and mix thoroughly. Next, we're gonna finely chop some parsley and mix in as well. Then we want to place the littleneck clams in the dish. We also want to place the scallops in the dish. And just to add even more seafood flavor, we're going to add a couple of tongues of sea urchin roe. And last but not least, garnish with some salmon roe. And then this beautiful seafood and squid ink pasta is ready to serve. And that is how I make my seafood and squid ink pasta. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. And look at that. It looks just simply amazing. So here we go. So much flavor. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Oh man.